Hey guys, welcome to Cryptalina channel, and today I have prepared for you several setups on the Bitcoin chart price, and right now I will tell you why manipulation occurs on small time frames, and if you want to know where the price of Bitcoin will go in the near future, because at the end of this video I will show you something interesting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started. So we are on the 4-hour time frame. You already know that this is a yellow upward channel. We made an upside breakout of the inflation data and tumbled down. Right now we are breaking through the yellow line of the upward channel. In my opinion, this is possibly a fake out as it was here. Accordingly, we still have a great reason to return to his channel and continue the upward movement. You need to wait for the 4-hour candlestick to end, but right now I will tell you why this candlestick can be a huge manipulation on the Bitcoin chart price, and maybe this will confirm that this is a fake out. Let's move on to the 1-hour time frame. Here we see the classic Fibonacci grid. It's based on the theory of impulses. We had impulse, any rise or fall is an impulse, correction to this movement, subsequent growth or fall. We see growth with corrections and subsequent growth. Right now we are seeing a fall without any correction, which tells us that this is manipulation in 90% of cases. Similar moves come to the 0.8 level, which coincides with our support level. Then I expect approximately the same movement, at least to level 0, level 17,400, and this level again brings us back to our channel. It's quite possible that we will see a big candlestick up if there are good volumes, or there will be growth and it will mean a fake out and we left the channel in false format. So let's look at another time frame. This is a 1-hour time frame, and you see a Fibonacci grid stretch not to rise but to fall. Here we see the same. We see the impulse and it was carried out without any corrections. So that is, it's quite possible that I will expect an adjustment to 0.5 levels. It will be a healthy drop if there is a correction at this level. This coincides with the $70,600 level, which also coincides with the fact that we can return inside the channel. Let's look at another chart, but before we start, don't forget that if you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim your 30,000 bonuses on BYBIT. All you have to do is make your first registration and make your first deposit, and after that you can get your bonuses. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. This is BitGet. It's available for all users, and on the BitGet you can get up to 4,163 dollars bonuses, and right now follow the link in the description and in the first pinned comment and register using my links and get your bonuses. So back to the daily time frame. As you remember, here I showed you the support level, the resistance level and another resistance level, information in the form of a triangle. As we said earlier, we had to enter here on the volumes, gain a foothold higher and go up. It wasn't possible to gain a foothold within this range. The range was the range of sellers. Accordingly, a large number of shorts accumulated here. People were selling the positions, including the long positions, and as a result we went down, didn't retest at the level of 18,659 and fell lower into our triangle. Right now we are breaking this triangle, breaking through the trend line. I remind you that this is a daily time frame. At a minimum we need to wait for the close of the daily candlestick to confirm the breakout. As I said, the graphics are different. For example, this chart here tells me that it's quite possible that we will see similar movements and still return inside the triangle. But if this doesn't happen and we consolidate below, then the goals of our fall will be as follows. So we are back on the 1 hour time frame. If we don't make a correction, which is unlikely, we will most likely see these prices in the near future. Even if we fail to gain a foothold at the levels of 0.5, 0.6 Fibonacci, if we fix on this time frame below the line on the daily chart, then the targets for the fall are as follows: $14,500 and $16,000. This is the movement, but the target will be approximately the same if we fix below the trend line on the daily chart. On the positive side, green volumes are being drawn here, so it has buyers now. It's important for us that green volumes grow up or decrease. Perhaps this will be such a movement, after which they will go up again. So far there are not enough volumes, but okay, we can look at another formation that I found on the price of the Bitcoin chart. This is a bullish formation. As a rule, it can go up. Notice that we are going inside a bullish wedge. Here they bounced off the resistance level, went to support, returned to resistance, and again went to the support line. And the support zone, which used to be marked in green, has now become a resistance zone. We almost reached it and deviated. Now we are moving to about $16,500. $16,000 on this chart is zone support, but locally I think we can see something like that in the near future. Also traders, let's look at the 8 hour time frame. Almost nothing has changed here. We approached the level of 18,136, bounced off the resistance zone and also bounced off the trend line, which was marked on January 21st. We tested this trend line, pushed off from it, and now we're approaching a new trend line, a new support line, which was formed on November 21st. Now we're also doing a false puncture of the trend line. We wouldn't like to break it. This is an 8 hour time frame. Accordingly, we need to wait for the closing of the 8 hour candlestick. If it closes inside the trend line, then it's likely that we will test this trend line again, which formed on January 21st or even on June 22nd. We need to wait for this closure. When the 8 hour candlestick closes, we will be able to look further into the consequences for the market and predict something already. Again, if the candle closes inside this triangle, then maybe I will expect another entry to test the trend line. From there you can already expect a big reaction. Let's look at the chart. Whenever we approach some significant level, in this case it's a trend line formed in the summer, we always get a strong move. We approach the trend line, we expect a strong movement. For example, here we approach the trend line, we get a strong movement. Here we didn't hit the trend lines, but we did hit a strong resistance level and also got a strong move. Take note that always approaching large resistance or support levels, we get a strong and volatile movement. So what do you think about that? Write your opinion in the comments. So I hope you like this video and my update. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my Telegram group, and also don't forget to put your likes and comments below. See you soon.